Welcome to Hawaii Academy, introducing our professional course, Diploma in SMT Operation and Chip-Level Engineering, specially designed for students who want to build a strong career in the LED and electronics industry. The Diploma in SMT Operation and Chip-Level Engineer is a practical chip-level training course that teaches you how modern electronic and LED products are manufactured, assembled, and serviced. After completing the Diploma in SMT Operation and Chip-Level Engineer, students can build careers in multiple technical roles within the LED and electronics industry. You can become service technician, production engineer, chip-level technician. The future of SMT and chip-level engineering is extremely promising. As technology grows, the demand for skilled chip-level engineers and SMT operators is increasing rapidly. This means more job opportunities, stable technical careers, growth in electronics and LED industries, opportunities to work in India and abroad. If you are passionate about technology and want a practical, job-oriented technical career, the Diploma in SMT Operation and Chip-Level Engineering at Hawaii Academy is the right choice for you.